Hi guys, this is Anders again. Sorry for whispering a little bit. My kids are actually asleep and I'm at home. This progress video is going to be a little bit different. So first of all, we're going to show you some things from today. We had a really amazing day. Me, Kajsa and Mikaela. And then I'm going to come back and speak a little bit more what happened. Alright, so what's up? Here is Kajsa. And here is Mikaela. Mikaela is also driving, so don't speak and drive, as we say.
Car on the road.
Yes. So we are now heading to Arvid. He's a farmer, he's a farmer of flax, and we are basically, this is the first time we meet him, so we are sort of super excited. Are you excited? Mikaela, that's the excitement look. And he's a farmer of flax, where he basically sells the crop to the food industry, and we are buying the rest of it. So we are buying the rest of the plant, which we then process into the mobile case. So, and we think, we are not quite sure, it's also very, very nice here, a lot of forest. We think that it's harvesting time. So hang on, we might post something later. Would you like to end up with something?
Oh, yeah.
No.
No.
No. Okay, this is quite exciting. He's harvesting the flax. Oh god, it's so big. Okay, regular progress time now. So a couple of news. The first and most important one is that we planted 5,000 new trees in our tree project in Zambia. That is something that we are at least quite proud of, I would say. Secondly, we worked about a lot of the improvements of the website. So bundles are available, monograms is available and super popular. Actually 25% of the orders are a monogram now, and soon we're gonna offer the opportunity to also engrave logos. That's gonna come super soon. Product development wise, we started and kicked off the fashion project, so hopefully we can launch that in January or February. It's going to be a basic line. We are not defined yet on the raw material side, but we keep you posted, both here but also in the Friends of a Good Company group, which we launched on Facebook and Instagram. Humanium pen is now in production. We are hoping to launch that before Christmas. Bottles are in stock next week. They've been really popular. And what else? Yes, we are launching 24/7 chat, hopefully already next week. We now have stable customers in like 50 countries a month, and we don't seem fair that only some of the time zones are getting a good experience from our customer service, which is then now obviously today based in one time zone. So hopefully next week, maybe in 2 weeks, that's depending on how complicated it is for us to set it up. That was all for now, and bye.